What if I told you there's a bolt that guarantees precise tension, faster installation, and unmatched reliability? Tension control bolts, or TC bolts, are high-strength fasteners used in steel construction, bridges, and infrastructure projects. What sets them apart? An integrated tensioning system that ensures 100% accuracy with every installation. Grade: ASTM F18552, equivalent to A325, and ASTM F2280, equivalent to A490. Diameter range: 1/2 inch to 1 1/8 inch, 13 millimeters to 30 millimeters. Material: high-strength steel with zinc or weathering steel coating. Installation: one-step tightening using a shear wrench, eliminating torque errors. Clamping: force ensures precise preload, preventing bolt loosening. Unlike traditional bolts, TC bolts have a spline that snaps off at the correct tension, removing guesswork and improving safety. This makes them ideal for skyscrapers, bridges, and heavy-duty structures where reliability is non-negotiable. For more information and assistance, contact us today at 646-880-6778, or you can visit our website at www.lrkdindustries.com.